Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Very well, Miss. Alhamdulillah. So, before we start our lesson, let's take a moment to pray together and start. And praying enough. So, is there any absent today?
No, Miss.
Okay, good. And no, are you ready to learn?
Ready.
Okay. A student, what do you see in the picture? Okay. Okay. Other opinion?
And
Fernanda?
animals, Miss.
Okay.
Sunlight, Miss.
Oh, okay. So, but don't forget to light and soil in the forest. But don't forget the component and complete in the forest. And now, can you describe what in our school environment, Hernanda?
A garden, pond, and insect, Miss.
Excellent answer. And does anyone tell me about today's topic? Iren?
Ecosystem, Miss.
Yes, that's right. Today we will learn about the ecosystem. Learning objective and number one, after studying the ecosystem material, student will be able to correctly identify at least three components of an ecosystem. And number two, after studying the energy flow within the ecosystem, student will be able to systematically explain the transfer of energy through a food chains. So, ecosystem is the interaction or mutual relationship between living things and their environment. And an ecosystem consists of biotic and abiotic components.
Ecosystem include
Before the next material, Miss, in your opinion, what effort can be made to protect ecosystem? What the effort can be made protect ecosystem? Okay, Dila.
Reduce pollution by walking to school.
Okay, awesome. So you did amazing. I'm so proud of you. And are there any opinions? Okay, Ananda.
Dispose of the garbage in this space and recycle it.
Okay, so big applause for you. Very good all. And the next
ecosystem includes two major components, biotic and abiotic components. Abiotic components are the non-living elements of the system, such as air, water, sunlight, nutrients, and temperature. Biotic components are all the living organisms living in the system, like plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms, and you. Take the area under a rock, for example. In this ecosystem, you'll find biotic components like the microorganisms, insects, and abiotic components like soil, nutrients, air, etc.
okay, ecosystem component is biotic and abiotic. And the next types of ecosystem. So types of ecosystem, they include terrestrial ecosystem, land-based, and aquatic ecosystem, water-based. So terrestrial ecosystem, land-based, there are the number one, a forest ecosystem full of trees and animals, and grassland ecosystem cooperate with grasses and grazing animals, and desert ecosystem hot dry with few plants animals like camels live here, and tundra ecosystem cold and snowy animals like penguin live here. So aquatic ecosystem water-based, and there are marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem saltwater like sea or ocean, and the freshwater ecosystem low salt river like a pond.
Chains and food webs real quick. Food chains generally start with a producer. Producers are autotrophs. They are able to make their own food. Plants are common producers. Arrows and food webs point to the directional flow of energy, so they point to who is doing the eating. The first one being a primary consumer, next a secondary consumer, a tertiary consumer. We could keep going, but generally at the top of the food chain, you got what are known as apex consumers. A food chain could be arranged into an energy pyramid.
Okay, the next energy pyramid. Tropic level 1 is producer, tropic level 2 is primary consumer, tropic level 3 secondary consumer, and tropic level 4 tertiary consumer. And now, please form discussion group to work on the worksheets. So I'll write, please work on the problem I give. Take your time to think them through careful.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, as you finish, would anyone like to try sharing their answer with the class?
Yes,
maybe yes, maybe group 1 or 2. Group 1, okay. Number 1 is answer.
Okay, Miss. So may I answer question number 1? Is biotic components such as wolf, trees, bear, and coyotes a biotic component forest soil, light, and matter?
Okay, give applause. And the next, can someone from group 2nd answer, please? Okay, Iren.
Identify the energy flow in the ecosystem. Okay. My answer is question number 2. Trees as producer are somewhere to grow. Deer eat the trees. Coyotes eat the deer. If there are no wolves, the number of deer will grow too much and they will eat too many trees.
Okay, big applause for your friends. And the next, that's correct, well done. I think it's enough. I'd like to ask one of you to summarize what we have learned today. Who would like to share the thoughts? Okay, Dila.
Ecosystem is a system that includes biotic and abiotic components. An example of an ecosystem is a forest. In an ecosystem, there is a flow of energy.
Okay, thank you for your summaries. And is there anything that's still unclear or that you didn't understand?
Understand means?
Okay. Later, please complete the assessment I gave you. And for next week class, study the material environment change. And now let's take a moment to pray together as we close today's lesson and pray together with start. And Emma. So thank you for your participation today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.